Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a rigorous, highly technical evaluation of Google Antigravity, analyzing whether this newly launched agent-first development environment genuinely disrupts the coding ecosystem or simply acts as a bloated, resource-heavy wrapper around the Gemini models. Breaking completely away from the traditional model of a static sidebar assistant, Antigravity positions itself as an entire multi-surface workflow split seamlessly across a dedicated standalone code editor, a parallel agent manager window, and an aggressively integrated local instance of Google Chrome. The absolute crown jewel of this architecture is the independent Agent Manager workspace, which essentially functions as a real-time email inbox for your active software engineering pipelines, letting you deploy up to 5 autonomous agents simultaneously to plan file systems, execute complex algorithmic updates, and generate custom multimedia assets in parallel while you jump between projects. It completely redefines traditional debugging by utilizing its native browser muscle, allowing the back-end agents to open a sandboxed Chrome window, navigate to your local hosting port, interact with input elements, and actively verify user interface changes while recording explicit walkthrough videos and artifact files as physical proof of successful testing. However, the operational reality of this ecosystem comes with immense performance bottlenecks because running a localized Chrome integration alongside a multi-threaded Electron framework causes catastrophic battery drain on portable machines, and the graphic glow effect built into the interface creates a jarring input latency that slows down manual typing whenever an agent is actively running in the background. Furthermore, the internal memory management frequently exhibits critical context drift across long development sessions, meaning the system can hallucinate complex structural rules or completely forget pre-established directory patterns unless you rigorously enforce your own context files, like a dedicated Markdown plan. Pricing has also sparked intense developer backlash across the community because the highly restrictive free tiers reset on an aggressive 5-hour loop that evaporates rapidly under continuous terminal usage, pushing developers toward a costly $100 monthly Ultra subscription tier just to unlock a sustainable data capacity. Ultimately, Google Antigravity presents a profoundly futuristic, highly innovative vision of automated code orchestration, but it remains a buggy, resource-intensive ecosystem that currently lacks the polished maturity, speed, and seamless file handling required to completely replace established developer setups. Subscribe the channel for more videos.